I think the next time I come here, we'll drop the car and then see walk.
Who you know do it better than C4. C4 the cooking husband. Better know.
Yes, 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 yes. How's it, guys? Today, good day 3. As you can see, had a busy morning. Not so busy, but just relaxed. Kile sahluta. I mean, day 2 was really amazing. Still thinking about that pork belly. But yeah, today, as you can see, I'm walking, preparing for a game drive. Finally, it's the day of the game drive. As you know, guys, Ideka has their own animals, good property, so we're gonna get to see those. And they mentioned quite a few in terms of giraffe, I think. I don't know what I'm looking forward to see actually, but anything that's on offer. But yeah, I'm excited about it. I mean, I love animals, not that way, because I know a lot of people judge me because cool, but these ones, not for slaughtering, guys, I promise. Just love them, to see them and admire. But rather than that, let's go to a game drive. Drive along with me. As I told you guys, yeah, we game drive, so just to see izilwanyane. But yeah, let's drive along. Sibone ba sizobona ntoni.
Welcome again to Daita Game Lodge. So this is a 400 hectare lodge,
Okay.
but soon it's gonna be 1,600 hectares. So our drive is gonna be a 2-hour game drive.
Okay.
Then we're gonna have one drink stop, and then after we come back to the lodge. We've identified six different leopards here in the
Okay.
lodge. Because what we do, we put cameras around, trap cameras. So masiwabona siyakhona ukubona ukuthi, because ayafana if we wabuka like with the naked eyes. It's the same thing, but then actually our fan. Because into eyenzakala esikhathini ama-trap cameras siwafaka if kune animal efile yabo, if there's a dead animal. That's where you normally sizobeka-ke i-camera next to the animal, sizobona yini ezofika izodla.
Oh, okay.
So the reason siyifake la, the other day uShanice wabona ama-leopard tracks on the road.
Oh, okay.
Ehamba la, so that's why asibeke
Wafaka yona.
shuthi
Okay.
bajwayele ukuhamba la, and nangempela sawabona.
It's very nice to look at them close, close encounter with the nature. So yeah, I think this is why I came here, just to connect. And you see how peaceful they are. So far, it's been really great experience. Nani has born in Indlela. It's adventurous. I think the next time I come here, we'll drop the car and then see walk. Ndicela mosba sisayofumana some drinks just to wake ourselves up. I'm joking, but yeah, just to round off the beautiful drive that we've had this afternoon or evening. So yeah, Fiso is busy prepping his things. I'm just gonna go join him and then yeah, sell and get to enjoy the view. Let's go.
So ikhofu labantu abadala.
ID.
And then after
Okay.
that sizobe sesi-add a hot water, of course.
Okay.
And then after that then sizobe sesi-add i-amorula.
Oh, okay. Okay.
It's called the push coffee.
Bush coffee.
Yes.
Yeah, love bush coffee.
So adding hot water.
Perfect.
Not much.
Any reason why I try bush coffee?
Yeah, because normally i-idea yafika nama-ranger, these guys abenza ama-can drive.
Oh,
So
okay.
yibona ba-introduce this thing of
Bush coffee.
ukufaka i-amarula coffee. So instead of using milk, you use an amarula
Right.
to make a nice coffee.
Okay.
Some they prefer it with no sugar. Mina ngithanda
With sugar. No, but sugar makes sense because
Yeah.
I believe amarula is also a little bit of sweet.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Cheers, Mr. Sfiso.
Cheers. So if you see those mountains, Mr. Sifo, those ones, they are called the Libombo Mountains.
Why?
Libombo.
Libombo.
Yeah, mountains. So they cover about 4 countries.
Oh, okay.
They go through South Africa, Swaziland, Mozambique, and Lesotho.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so
Interesting.
They're
Yes.
called Libombo. Libombo is actually this thing umbombo.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 'cause they go like,
Oh,
more like
so it
Mbombo,
makes
like,
sense.
yeah.
Like up. Okay.
so that's why they're called the Libombo Mountains. Yeah.
Okay. Making sense. Interesting, eh? Umntu uze apha with the essence of just coming to relax and explore, but to end up for money knowledge. Yeah, there's been like a handful of knowledge,
Yeah, it's nice.
Definitely,
Because
so.
they cover about 700 kilometers.
which is a lot. 700.
lot,
Yeah,
yes.
that's a lot. So yeah, it's a
Beautiful
big.
mountains, yeah. Beautiful.
But you can also see landscape.
Yes, it's nice. It's
Definitely
very
nice.
nice.
This was beautiful. Sunset with our bush
Yeah.
coffee.
Coffee.
Time for dinner now. But yeah, this is really good. You need to give it a try. Easy recipe. Mr. Sfiso. I won't claim it. Just coffee, a little bit of sugar, and of course a creamy liquor. Yeah, perfect. Okay, guys, that was amazing. Perfect drinks, perfect sunset. What's left now is it dinner. So we're just quickly gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna change, but yeah, we're going back to the lodge to have it dinner, and I'm looking forward to it. Let's go. Guys, we are back from the game drive. As you have seen, it was really beautiful. We got to explore, we've got to see. Yeah, it was really, really beautiful. But now, as you can see, I'm sitting cozy. Behind me, it's a nice fire. And we're about to have dinner. And today for dinner, I think there's steak, I think I saw, and I forgot the starter. But yeah, I cannot wait to dig in. You guys are gonna get to see it and taste with me virtually, and then let's enjoy. But rather than that, let's dig in. Dinner time at Daika. Danko.
Who you know do it better than Sifo? Sifo the cooking husband, better known as Mr. Nyamaria. Sifo's the cooking man, yeah, Mr. Nyamaria, yeah. Who you know do it better than Sifo? Sifo the cooking husband, better known as Mr. Nyamaria. Sifo's the cooking man, yeah, Mr. Nyamaria, yeah. I wish Sifo, yeah, but Sifo.
There's no.
Onsepo wish Sifo.
Yes, that's it. Sounds right.
Umlota wish Sifo. Sifo utande nyama.
Let's drink.
I wish Sifo.
Okay, guys, sikile, sahluta, as you can see. I'm so full. But the food was really good. Shame, I won't lie. Chef Zimbini does her thing. Daika, Game Lodge, thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Just an overview. I think for me, I like the home experience, how they put their heart and soul. Like you can taste it with dish. Like I don't want to just oversell, but yeah, you guys need to come and experience it for yourself. I mean, from the first day we arrived, 3-course meal, starter, main, dessert. I don't remember any meal that was below average. So all the meals are really good. Today was extra special again, is bonele steak with a pepper corn sauce, which is really, really amazing. So yeah, now for me, I think for their food, I'll really, not that I have to rate it, but I think 9 out of 10 is fitting. Like it's really good, tastes good. You can, portions are good. The soul is there, like it's really homely and hearty. You don't like get distracted by the small portions because you know sometimes you visit places and the portions are not that great. But here, yeah, they know how to do it. But yeah, it's really been good. For now, I'll leave it there and say good night. Tomorrow is checkout set. I wish I could go, but yeah, I wish I could stay longer. But anyways, good night, guys. Let's come to the fire. Ooh. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with C4 Travels, where we get to explore the flavors of Mzansi and the beautiful spaces of Mzansi, of course. So make sure you tell your friends, tell your loved ones to check out C4 Travels, because guys, I get to plug you, I get to take you to places. See you on the next one. Cheers. Okay, Mr. Sfiso, I'm here today to say thank you so much to Daika Game Lodge. You guys did an amazing thing for allowing C4 Travels to come shoot an episode here. So, njengesiqhelo, we say siyabulela and umuntu akahambi empty-handed. So I thought it would be fitting to give you guys my second cookbook, which is C4 The Cooking Husband Volume 2. Yes. So that Nase Daika Nani, you can get some inspiration.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's just, this is just to say thank you so much for this opportunity. And yeah, C4 The Cooking Husband.
Okay.
You guys use it as much as you would love. Get some inspiration from it. Chef kitchen. If today mhlambe cloudy, na yafumana inspiration
there. Yes.
So siyabulela.
Siyabulela nathi iDaika Game Lodge. And then thank you for trusting us ukuthi uzowenza some of your work here. Siyabonga kakhulu. Hope sizophinda ubuye futhi next time.
I'm sure soon.
Yeah,
I'm sure soon. Thank you so much. But guys, siyabulela kakhulu. As you can see, Daika has now C4 The Cooking Husband Volume 2. And now at home, if you're looking at this book and like, yeah, it has delicious, incredible recipes, just over 80 recipes. And you can purchase the signed cookbook directly from my website, which is www.c4thecookinghusband.co.za. But rather than that, masipeke nikamandi, and thank you for following the journey of C4 Travels. And I hope you enjoy the episode. So yeah, Maguyo Pegwa and Cook Up a Storm. C4 The Cooking Husband Volume 2, now available. Daika, thank you so much, my brother.
Thank you, Mr. Sifo.
Sure.